Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it seems Microsoft is having a hard time removing itself from the past. We are learning today that Microsoft is now going to kind of allow Windows to have Internet Explorer in extreme cases, and of course they won't have any updates, anything, but there are extreme cases where there will be a possibility to get the Internet Explorer browser still on a Windows machine. That is very interesting. They call it exceptional scenarios, and of course it won't be unaffected by Windows updates. And one of the things that is happening with Internet Explorer, and every time we talk about it, is like, why is people using Internet Explorer? And that's Microsoft's fault, actually. Internet Explorer retirement. The problem with that is a lot of enterprise, and when I was a tech guy, I had to dabble with that. A lot of enterprise are stuck with Internet Explorer for the core of how communications with their devices are done. And it has to do with, Internet Explorer in the past was integrated within the operating system. It's not like Edge. Edge is a browser in Windows, just like any other browser. But Internet Explorer was part of the operating system. This is what actually made the antitrust call to Microsoft, because that integration meant that, it was really what made Internet Explorer dominate. People had a browser, didn't understand why we should download some other browser, which is the reverse of today. Today, people, the joke is we use Edge to download Chrome or whatever else you want to use. So that integration was so deep that a lot of enterprise created core apps and core connections to servers that deeply integrated with the way Internet Explorer worked. And I'm pretty sure today there are tons of companies that are stuck with old code, old ways of connecting that still need it. Of course, they've created an IE mode in Edge, and that IE mode in Edge was there to try to help and maintain a connection. The thing is, IE mode in Edge is not replacing, and does not replace in some cases, the way that the connectivity is done. So in some extreme cases, they have now acknowledged that they might allow some enterprise and some specific Windows versions to have it. Right now, it's not on the PC. What's happening is, for example, here in Windows 11, if you look at the PC, you'll see that there's something there called Internet Explorer in program files, but it's not there. What you see there in Internet Explorer is, if you see here, iExplorer, this actually launches Edge. This does not launch Internet Explorer. And so that is the way it works. The link just sends you to Edge. It doesn't really have what it takes to have Internet Explorer integrated. If you do, of course, and of course there's the IE installed and stuff, but that doesn't do anything. If you click on it, it won't install Internet Explorer. And if you, of course, search for Internet Explorer, you will see turn autocomplete in Internet Explorer in the control panel. Brings you that antiquated panel here of Internet properties that was part of kind of Internet Explorer in the day. But if you play with this, you're not actually within Internet Explorer per se. You're just within the panel of properties. That is still there, probably because there are some underlying code and ways of working in Windows that they just can't get rid of it right now. But it is interesting to see how a lot of decisions from the past are haunting Microsoft still today. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.